Your next car could be the 2018 Ford Escape. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 70,000 miles on the odometer. De-stress and decompress in this sleek and sporty Escape. Its quiet cabin, flexible seating and cargo storage, safety features, connectivity, and all-weather capabilities infuse every drive with confidence. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, power liftgate, heated mirrors, fog lamps, satellite radio, steering wheel audio controls, aluminum wheels, heated front seat, dual zone AC. Capability and comfort blend beautifully in this sleek Escape. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.